Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I get the following one notification while I try to access my Roblox mobile app, and it shows we are aware that some of you are having issues accessing Roblox. Our team is actively working on it. But if I try to join any Roblox server, I successfully joined this particular Roblox server, then it shows this kind of message. So my guessing is maybe this Roblox team enhanced their product quality like server side improvements, and they are trying to introduce some other features. So due to these improvements they showing this kind of message. But friends, don't worry about it. It won't affect your Roblox gaming interface. And the same message even also occurs if you use this Roblox in Windows PC. So don't remind this message. But sometimes this message occurs if Roblox server is down in particular region. So if you like to know the Roblox server status, just visit this website. And lots of the Roblox users are report the server down status from their various region. So if you like to report it, just choose your problem category and then submit your report. And this website is very useful one to know the Roblox server down status. And also check the popular social media website server status. So anyway, the purpose of the video making is just I create the one awareness about this message, because some YouTube video shows if you get this message, just on time clear that Roblox app data, or you can use any VPN app and then this problem is fixed. So my point of view, don't try this kind of things and this is waste of time. So anyway, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, TechOns, and thanks for watching.